Hello students. So the next part we shall continue is sex determination in insects. So here we shall consider the examples of different insects like the honeybee, then there is grasshopper, and one more insect, that is Drosophila. Right? So first we shall consider sex determination in honeybee. So honeybee is a very commonly found insect. Now this insect, honeybee, it exhibits a type of sex determination that is called haplodiploid method or haplodiploidy. So the method of sex determination in honeybees, it is called haplodiploid method of sex determination or haplodiploidy. Now here, the male honeybees, are haploid. They have 16 chromosomes. The female honeybees, are diploid. They have 32 chromosomes. Now, the male honeybee produces male gametes or sperms. So the sperms produced by the male honeybee, they are haploid. The female honeybee produces eggs. Now those eggs the female honeybee produces eggs which are haploid. So here haploid male and female gametes are produced. Sperms, they have 16 chromosomes. Eggs also have 16 chromosomes. Now here fertilization and non-fertilization determines the sex in case of honeybees. So first we shall consider fertilization. Now this sperm fuses with this ovum. This sperm fuses with this ovum and it produces a offspring which is female. Now this female will have how many chromosomes? So it is 16 plus 16, that is 32. So here this process, it is called fertilization. When fertilization occurs in honeybees, where haploid sperm carrying 16 chromosomes fuses with haploid ovum carrying 16 chromosomes, the offspring which is produced will have 32 chromosomes, right? So sperm fuses with ovum, there is formation of zygote. Zygote will have 32 chromosomes and that zygote develops into a female. So in this way, females have 32 chromosomes. So this is how female offsprings are produced in honeybees, that is mainly due to fertilization. Most of the times what happens here, there is no fertilization and this egg or the female gamete directly develops into an offspring. So this egg or ovum, which is having 16 chromosomes, it will directly produce the offspring without fertilization. Now this offspring, which is having 16 chromosomes, it forms the male. So male honeybees are formed without fertilization. They directly develop from the unfertilized egg. This process, it is called parthenogenesis. This process is called parthenogenesis. So parthenogenesis is a process of development of offspring directly from the ovum or egg without fertilization. Right? So egg directly develops into the offspring. Egg directly develops into the offspring without fertilization. It is called parthenogenesis, which is observed in honeybees. So males are formed without fertilization, whereas the females are formed by fertilization. That is the reason why males are haploid and females are diploid. So this method of sex determination in honeybees, it is called haplodiploid method or haplodiploidy. So next we will consider the second insect. So it is the grasshopper. So we shall consider sex determination in the grasshopper. So in grasshopper, the sex determination, it is called X0 type sex determination. So sex determination in grasshopper, it is called X0 type sex determination. So this insect, another common insect that is commonly found in the grass or on trees, green trees, right? Now here we shall consider the chromosome complement of grasshoppers. So this is the chromosome complement of male and female grasshoppers. So males have total 23 chromosomes, females have 24 chromosomes. Here one is less, means one sex chromosome is less. That's why it is 23. Here you find a pair of sex chromosomes, so it is 24. Autosomes are same in males and females. So there are 22 autosomes in both males and females, but males have one less sex chromosome. Now here, the gametes. The male grasshoppers produce two types of sperms. So now it is 11A plus X, 11A plus 0, right? So 50% sperms 50% sperms will have one X chromosome, that is a sex chromosome. Another 50% sperms doesn't contain a sex chromosome. So sex chromosome is absent, that's why it is written as 0. Right? Then we shall consider the female. So female will produce eggs. All eggs will have one X chromosome. So it is like this. 100% gametes will have X chromosome. That means all eggs will have one X chromosome along with the autosomes. Now what happens here during fertilization or syngamy? So during fertilization there is the fusion of male and female gametes. Now, a sperm during fertilization, a sperm having X chromosome. So we shall consider this sperm. So sperm having X chromosome. When it fuses with an ovum, right? So all eggs, all ova, they have one X chromosome. So when sperm containing X chromosome, this sperm, when it fuses with the ovum, what you get? You get a zygote. A zygote is obtained which is having a pair of X chromosomes, along with autosomes. How many autosomes here? 11 autosomes from the sperm, 11 autosomes from the ovum. So 11 plus 11, that is how much? 22 autosomes. And here there are a pair of X chromosomes. So this zygote, can tell me now, it develops into which sex? This zygote develops into a offspring, and that offspring will have which sex? By looking at this, you can tell me. So a pair of X chromosomes are found in a female. Just here, this is a female which is having a pair of X chromosomes. So this zygote develops into a offspring which will become a female grasshopper with a pair of X chromosomes along with 22 autosomes. Then the second possibility, there is one more possibility here. The sperm, the second type of sperm here, without sex chromosome. There is having only autosomes, sex chromosome is absent. So this sperm, so we shall write it like this: sperm with 0 means without sex chromosome. If it fuses with ovum, which is having X chromosome, there is the formation of a zygote. There is formation of zygote, which will be having these chromosomes. So here the zygote will have only one X chromosome. So this zygote now, it will develop into which sex? The offspring will be having male sex. Just here. X0 is observed in males. So zygote having X0 will develop into a male grasshopper. So male grasshoppers have only one X chromosome along with 22 autosomes, right? So 22 plus 1, 23. So males have 23 chromosomes. The female grasshoppers, they have 22 autosomes plus a pair of sex chromosomes, means 2 sex chromosomes. So 23, sorry, not 23, so 22 autosomes plus 2. 22 autosomes plus 2, it becomes 24. So female has 24 chromosomes. So this is how sex in grasshoppers is determined, right? So this is the method of sex determination in grasshoppers, which is called X0 type sex determination. So with this we shall conclude this video and we shall continue in the next video. Thank you.